வணக்கம் உறவுகளே, இன்றைக்கி லசானியா செய்வோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். பார்ஸ்லி, basil, baby leaves, carrot, onion, celery, sage, rosemary. We need to chop, எல்லாம் chop பண்ணி போடும். முதல்ல நான் chop பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் இதில் கரட், சேலரி, ஓனியன் இருக்குது, பேசல், சர்ச், ரோஸ்மெரி, பேபி லீவ்ஸ், பார்ஸ்லி, ஆலிவ் ஆயில். பாட் ரெடியாக இருக்குது. we have a ground chicken, அரைச்ச ஹோலி, hot pot, baby leaf, carrot, onion, celery. You have to make sure it's brown, nice and brown. Celery, carrot, onion, baby leaf, almost getting in the color. And the color one down there. Basil, sage, rosemary, parsley, make them nice and brown, getting it smell good. Then we have to add the chicken. Chicken cook, then we add the sauce and everything, tomato sauce. Okay, we wait until this chicken start cook. Thank you. Okay, we're going to put the sauce, tomato sauce, mix with the chicken. One second. Make sure அளவான sauce விட்டு add some milk. Okay, let them boil the sauce. Sauce எல்லாம் கொதிச்சு வரும்போது ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு லசானியா போடலாம். Okay, sauces are ready. Now we need aluminum foil, food drop, pasta seeds, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. This is way for the lasagna. Always wash the hand. Keep a little bit of water in the tray. Then sauce is ready to go. Make sure thickness is enough. This is the chicken sauce. அரைத்த கோழி இறைச்சி. Okay, This is the lasagna seeds, the pasta seed. We line up. I like this seed, that's why I bought this. So many kind of seeds are there. You can choose it, but this one is better. One line of seeds, one layer. Make sure split everywhere. You don't need to fill it up. We're gonna go with the Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Then we have to go other layer. This is the way we're gonna make the 4 layer. Then I drop the lasagna. Oven getting ready. We put it inside. Okay. This is the last layer. Four layer pasta with the chicken. Beautiful. Now we how to wrap it up. We're gonna get the food drop. Put the line up. Aluminum foil. Make sure tidy it up. Ready to make a chicken lasagna. The temperature 350. Open the oven. Leave the oven like 35 minutes. Then his lasagna is ready. Chicken lasagna. Time to take out the chicken lasagna. And take a look. How's it look? Take the plastic drop off. Then cooling off like 5 minutes. Used to. But I cannot wait for 5 minutes. I have to taste it. So, you see how it looks? Okay. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Beautiful. Get taste first. Nice. Pasta cooked well.